At the end of Tovshin Chov Gimel, Shabbos Pashas Kisove Chai Elul, the Rebbe spoke about the Torahs of the Baal Shem Tov that he said in Gan Eden in the year Tov Reish Nun Beis. We know that the Rebbe Rashab chazed over the Torahs of the 7 Torahs of the Baal Shem Tov that he heard in the Chizoyen in Gan Eden on Shabbos Pashas Kisove Chai Elul, which was the birthday of the Baal Shem Tov in Gan Eden. And he chazed it over by a Fabrengen, and the Frierdiker Rebbe repeated it in the Fabrengen of Shmini Atzeres Tov Reish Tzadik Zayin. Later it was printed in Hayom Yom, then later printed in the Kesef Shem Tov. This was years later, it was printed in the Kesef Shem Tov. And the Rebbe spoke about the Shabbos Pashas Kisove Chai Elul. Then, in the Shabbos after that, which was Shabbos Pashas Nitzovim Chov Hei Elul, which was Shabbos Lichas, the Rebbe said a Maimer, which the Maimer started with the words Ki HaMitzvah Hazeis. And that Maimer was miyusid, was based on 3 Maamorim of the Alter Rebbe. One Maimer, Lehovin Sheresh HaHefresh Ben Teira LeMitzvahs, another one, L'cho Hashem Atzdoko, and the third one, Anechi Necha Mechef Shecha Lamani. After that Shabbos, the Rebbe said to give out a Kuntres. And the Kuntres is titled, Kuntres Maamarei Chodesh Elul Hei Tovshin Chov Gimel. Now when you look at the cover, and it has the Rebbe's Sharblat, you would look at the cover, you would think that probably these are Maimorim that the Rebbe said Tovshin Chov Gimel, which is true. But L'Peil, they are only the Maimorim as they were said by the Baal Shem Tov and by the Alter Rebbe. And this is what it says in the Hagdome, in the Pesach Dover to this Kuntres, that we are giving out the Maimorim that the Rebbe said Shabbos Kodesh Chai and Shabbos Kodesh Lichas Chov Hei Elul Tovshin Chov Gimel. And the Maimorim are 2 Torahs of the Baal Shem Tov and the Posek Kisove that he said Shabbos Pashas Kisove Chai Elul Tov Reish Beis in Gan Eden. Then the second thing is Torahs of the Alter Rebbe, and Maimer Lehovin Sheresh HaHefresh Ben Teira LeMitzvahs, then a Maimer L'cho Hashem Atzdoko, then a Maimer Necha Nechef Shecha Lamani. And in the Kuntres you have nothing of the Rebbe as far as the Maimorim are concerned. First, in the beginning of the Kuntres, you have, it says Torahs Kveit Lushit Merina Baal Shem Tov, and then you have the first 2 Torahs of the Baal Shem Tov. Then after that you have the Maimer of the Alter Rebbe where it starts in Lehovin Sheresh HaHefresh Ben Teira LeMitzvahs. Then you have the Maimer of the Alter Rebbe where it starts off L'cho Hashem Atzdoko, and then you have the Maimer Nechi Nechef Mechef Shecha. And also said in the Hagdom, in the Pesach Dover, it said that the Rebbe added Ha'ores and Marmekemis to these Maimorim. And you see in this Kuntres, on the bottom you have Ha'ores, and these are Ha'ores from the Rebbe, Sai and the Torahs of the Baal Shem Tov, Sai and the other 3 Maimorim. The interesting part is that after this Kuntres came out, they gave out a second version of mainly of the first part, because the way it's printed in the Kuntres is the first page of the Kuntres says B'siyata D'Shmaya, then in bold letters Torahs Kveit Kedushas Maamarei HaBaal Shem Tov, and then it starts off with the 3 dots and says Torahs HaBaal Shem Tov HaRishayna, and goes on with the Torahs HaBaal Shem Tov. When they gave out the Madura Basa, the second part of it, so it says differently. After it says B'siyata D'Shmaya, it says like this in bold letters: Hisvadus Shabbos Kodesh Pashas Sovei Chai Elul Hei Tovshin Chov Gimel, Brooklyn, New York. The date here is the Fabrengen of the Rebbe, Shabbos Kodesh Pashas Kisove Chai Elul Tovshin Chov Gimel, Brooklyn, New York. And then it added in less bold letters, this is more in italics, Yom Hulede Shnei HaMeiros Agdelim, the birthday of the 2 Meiros Agdelim, Kveit Lushas Merina Baal Shem Tov, B'shnas Nachas and Choson, and Kveit Lushas Rabbeinu Azokna, B'shnas Kahos. And there are even Ha'ores on this, on the words Yom Huledes. The Rebbe writes here, Kuntres Chai Elul Hei Tovshin Gimel, Amud Vav Yud Gimel, Rishime Shebesof Sefer HaMaimorim Hei Tovshin Ches, Amud Reish Tzadik Beis. And on the words that the year of the Baal Shem Tov's birth is Nachas or Choson, there's a star and there's a or on the bottom. Re'ei Sichas Chov Kislev Tov Reish Tzadik Gimel, Lekuta Deburim Amud Lamed Hei. So this came out later without a Sharblat, just that page, and then repeat again the Maimer of the Alter Rebbe in Lehovin Sheresh HaHefresh Ben Teira LeMitzvahs. So that came out later. And vice too is that the Rebbe added it later because here it started off with just with Torahs of Baal Shem Tov, so it doesn't have anything to do with what the Rebbe said. And the second version says clearly that this is from the Hisvadis of Shabbos Kodesh Pashas Sovei Chai Elul Hei Tovshin Chov Gimel, Brooklyn, New York. And it says that this is the date of Yom Haledes, and then after the sign of separation, it says Torahs Kveit Lushas Rabbeinu Baal Shem Tov, etc.